Hello and good morning. This is Holly Shields live from Calcine Studios in Sydney, and you're watching the early trades. Today, the S&P ASX 200 is up just 0.052%. The top performing stocks in this index include Appen, which is up by 30%, and Life360 up as well, 7.57%. Over the past week, the index has gained 1.3%, but is still down at 3.88 over the year-to-date period. And look at some companies making a buzz on the ASX today. Tech company Appen has received an unsolicited conditional and a non-binding indicative proposal from tech company as well, TELUS International, to acquire 100% of the shares of Appen at an indicative cash offer price of $9.50 a share. The board is currently in discussions and intends to consider any revised proposal from TELUS in an orderly manner and in the best interest of all Appen shareholders. In the opening session on the ASX, Appen was trading at 8.34, up 30.31%. And moving on, Australian horticulture company Costa Group noted incorrect reporting across several media outlets on its expected 2022 earnings. It was falsely reported that the company expected full-year 2022 EBITDA to be higher by around $5 million, but net profit $6.4 million lower. Costa Group clarified that the statement was related solely to the earnings impact of the changed lease arrangements for 7 farms previously leased from Vital Harvest and now leased from Macquarie Asset Management. In the opening session of the ASX trades, Costa Group shares were down, trading at $3.14, lower by 0.63%. And following this, Australian mining player Champion Iron announced operational and financial results for the fourth quarter and fiscal year ending March 31. The company witnessed a net income of $522 million for the year. Champion Iron also declared a dividend of 10 cents per ordinary share. And in the opening session of the ASX, its shares were trading at $7.64, down 1.55%. And then finally, to one of the big four, Westpac will no longer manage the retirement savings of its own employees. The bank has given its BT personal and corporate super funds to global investment consultancy Mercer to manage. On top of this, the bank has entered into an agreement to sell its advanced asset management business to Mercer Australia. And in the opening session of trading, Westpac shares were trading at $24.10, up 0.96%. And that is all for the early trades, but stay tuned for more only on Calcine TV. I'm Holly Shields signing off.